Welcome to another day in paradise. Welcome to Zadar, which is a castle near the city of Rijeka, and we are going to explore that now, still on the Istria coast, and then we head back towards Zadar, where we are going to spend our last days here. So join us, we're going to explore. Let's go! As a bonus, the castle is on a 138 meters high hill, which gives it a really awesome view over the city and the bay behind and the whole Istria coast line. So that's one on top. Perfect. Let's go inside. The whole castle is from the 13th century and the entrance fee is 10 kuna per person, which is pretty reasonable, I think. So it's worth a visit for sure. On the way down to Zadar, we just found a really nice bay, which is kind of hidden. You have to walk this gravel track from Jablanak, and then you can get in there, and there's a shipwreck in the water. The water that's just crazy. Look at those colors, that's amazing. I will put the name of that bay down here. If you put it on Google, just be sure to get to, I think it's Jablanak, because there also is a viewpoint. So you get somewhere up there, and then you have a really nice view over the bay, but you can't really get down. So it's easier, or it's the only way to walk around this trail. When coming from the main road and driving down to Jablanak, you can park alongside the road, then go to the anchor, and then follow that path behind me around the corner, and from the marina you will take this small path around all the bends. If you found the cave, just walk through, you're on the right path. Along the way, make sure to keep the mountain on your left and the water on the right. And after this hike all around the corners, you're greeted and rewarded by this beautiful entrance to the bay. Let's see it from above. Let's go. unfortunately this cove isn't a real secret anymore. With like most beautiful places in the world, there were two bigger ships here, but they left at about 4 p.m. and now it's quite nice and there are not many people left, so I would recommend to come here a little bit later. It's 30 kuna entrance fee for the cave, but I think the guy who collects it is already gone. Take goggles with you because diving around the shipwreck is really cool. We are done swimming as the sun is setting now. We are heading over to Zadar, where we will see you in the next video and the next adventure. Until then, give this little guy, who's known by the name of subscribe button, a little love if you haven't done that yet, and maybe check one of these videos out to be entertained until the next video comes out. See you over there. Thank you very much. Leave a like if you haven't. Thank you. Appreciate it. What are you? I don't want to go. Can we stay? No, we can't. We have to move on. Let's go.